So guys, can you imagine creating a video like this just with the use of an AI? Okay, you don't need to stress yourself. You don't need to set up your camera. You don't need to set up a ring light. You don't need to do anything. All you just need to do is to have the right promptings. All right, so I want to show you how I generated this video. I will generate another video for you to see. Okay, it's very simple, and I tell you, this is something you can do with your own phone. Okay, forget the fact that I'm doing this with the laptop, but you can do this with your phone as well. Just follow the steps, just follow the basics. And if you have not watched the video I dropped yesterday on how you can generate a thumbnail with Nano Banana, please head on to my playlist on AI videos and get that video watched as soon as possible. This video you can see here, I used Nano Banana to generate this video. So you can just sit down in a corner of your room with your phone. You can generate a number of videos. You can generate up to 3, 4, 5 videos, get them scheduled, and you go your way and you are earning. If your channel is monetized, if your platform is monetized, if it is not, you get a lot of engagement on that particular platform. So quickly, let's head on to how I made this video so that you can see. Before you do that, please, I want you to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Equally share this video with any of your friends who needs it. Thank you. So here is how the video is made. When you come over to your Google, okay, if you have Google Chrome on your phone, I would suggest you use that browser, or maybe any other browser that you prefer you want to use. Okay, so when you come over here, just type in aistudio.google.com. Is that clear? aistudio.google.com. If you don't have an account, please create an account with them. aistudio.google.com. So let me show you quickly. All right, it's very simple. You can create video just with your smartphone, get the right promptings, and you are good to go. So whenever you come to the interface like this, all right, can you see the side here? On your phone, you also see the same thing. Okay, you can switch over to desktop mode on your phone in order to have access to something like this as though you were using a laptop. But if you don't want, you can still have access to all of these things. So whenever you log in here, what you need to do, click on home. If you have not created an account with them, try to create an account. Okay, I have an account with them already, so that is why I'm able to access it directly like this. So whenever you come to this interface, click on home. Can you see home here? Okay, make sure it's on home. Okay, so when you click on home, the next thing you click on is playground. Can you see playground? Okay, this one, can you see it right here? So you click on playground. Let me show you quickly. All right, so click on playground. Can you see that? So it's open. It says Google AI Studio. Okay, so normally when you click on the playground, it brings you straight to featured. Okay, so here you have different options. You have the option for Gemini 3 Pro preview. Okay, and then you have option for Nano Banana Pro. You have option for Gemini Flash latest. Is that clear? So what you need to do here, head on straight to video. Okay, can you see video here? Let me show you so that you see it very well. Can you see? Just click on video here. So when you click on video, it brings you to Veo 2. Okay, this Veo 2 is where you want to use to create your video, text to video, okay, prompt to video. So it says our state-of-the-art video generation model available to developers on the paid tier of Gemini app. Now this one is available to people who are using the free version. Gemini 3 Pro is available to those who have subscribed to them, or Veo 3.1 available to those who have subscribed to them. So what you need to do here, once you come to this interface, click on Veo 2. Okay, can you see? Just click on Veo 2. Good, it brings you to this interface. Now before you paste your prompt, can you see what it says? It says describe your video. So before you describe your video, there are some setup you need to do here. Okay, this drop down at your right hand side of the screen. So there are some setup you need to do. Now the first thing here is number of results. Okay, you only need one, so leave it at default where it is. Is that clear? Can you see it clearly? So you only need one. And then the second thing is the aspect ratio. Okay, remember I've told you in our video editing training before that aspect ratio 16:9 is for videos that have been shot on landscape position. Okay, and then 9:16 is for videos that are shot on a vertical position. Is that clear? So if you want to generate a shot, take for instance TikTok videos, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, you use this one. Okay, but if you want to generate a normal landscape video, you have to use this one. So these are setup you need to do before you begin your video generation. Is that clear? So, and I want to say this before I proceed. Make sure before you paste in your prompt, ensure you get your prompt right. Describe all that you want to see in that video. All that you want to see in that video, make sure you have it described. You can ask ChatGPT to give you, a script of a video. Make sure you get the promptings right before you come and paste it here. Is that clear? So for the sake of this video, I want to generate for aspect ratio 16:9. Is that clear? Now the next thing you want to do is video duration. Okay, so here you can increase the number, you can increase the duration of the video that you want here, and then here is for the frame rate. Automatically it's at 24 fps. Okay, and then here is for the resolution. Just leave it at 720. So that's all you need to do on this interface. Okay, now let's go to video generation. This is where you are going to paste your script. Is that clear? So make sure you have the right script for what I am about to show you. Okay, so I'm going to paste my script here. All right, this is my script. Okay, can you see? A cinematic close-up of a futuristic smartphone floating in mid-air. The screen is glowing with a bright play button icon. The background is a blurred high-tech studio with neon blue-orange lights. Okay, the camera slowly rotates around the phone. 4K resolution, shallow depth of field, photorealistic tech commercial style. So once you come over here, just click on run here. Can you see it? All right, just click on this button to run, and then watch what will happen. While you are waiting, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and add a comment in the comment section of this video. Okay, ensure you watch my video on how to create a thumbnail using Nano Banana under this interface. Okay, you can do the same thing on your smartphone. Great. So our video has been generated. So can you see this is the download button. You can click here to download. You can click here to view in a larger way. Okay, so you can export it to your drive or just download to your laptop or your phone. So let's play it and see. Can you see that? Exactly the prompt I gave it. Exactly the prompt I gave it. All right, exactly the prompt I gave it. So this is how you can create a video using this Nano Banana, okay, using Veo 2.